found something really cool today. Ninja Turtles Mystery Mini Mutants. And it includes all of these? Oh my gosh. And there's a golden turtle? Oh, this is too much. Let's open it up. Alright, let's open it up. Alright, here's everything we got. This cute card. Awesome. Rocksteady. Really nice quality. And the arms move. Wow. 2 points of articulation. And he comes with this vest. Battle vest. If I could put this on, that would be great. There we go. He also has his weapons. Nice. All right. And this is the fun part. The ooze with the little animal inside. All right. Let's open this up and see what it's about. Okay. That is just cute. Whoops. Check that out. Let's put the ooze into this container. So I struggle a little bit putting the ooze inside the container. And the quality of the ooze isn't super great either. This is the type that will leave a residue in your hands. So not awesome. However, this little animal is so cute, and the figure itself is also super cool. I think I'm gonna get some more, and hopefully I'll find that golden turtle. Thanks for watching.